All right, guys, we're gonna do some HotShot hot takes. I read through a couple of these. These are these are a little spicy. Let's see. Most guys fail in HotShot not because of fuel prices, but because of bad budgeting. That one hits home a little bit for a few people, I know, but it's true. It's true. You know, you're running a business. You need to run a balanced budget. You don't need a brand new truck. You need a reliable one. Yeah, the right truck will make you or break you, and I found that out the hard way the first few years in business. This one's kind of funny, I'm going to say it. The guys who post the most loads on Facebook usually run the least. I found that one offensive because I used to be the guy posting everything on Facebook. All right, most weight-tested videos on YouTube prove nothing. The real test is 100 miles on the road. I agree 100% with that. I'd say the real test is 500,000 miles. I'd like to see how many HotShot trailers out there have 500,000 miles on them. I know we have a few of them in the fleet. And this one's funny because I'm a driver and a broker. Half the people blaming the brokers just don't know their numbers. Man, we could go for days on this one. But I will say, the reason the brokers post loads for X amount of dollars is because people are taking them.